Hey everyone, it's Justine, and this is the time you've all been waiting for, the winner announcements for Save the Crafty YouTuber. I apologize I'm releasing this so late into the day, but this video took me 9 whole hours to make. The reason being, gathering over 100 names and screenshotting them all and making all the graphics were a crazy amount of work. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope there's a lot of lucky winners out there, which there definitely will be. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that you should turn on your full screen right now if you're on a laptop or a tablet, and I don't recommend watching this from a mobile device because some of the comments when screenshotted were very small, and you'll need a full screen to be able to see them to see if you're a winner. If you are a winner and you do see your name, go ahead and click the video link, or the link below in the video description, and that is going to take you to a form that will allow you to claim your prize. All prizes must be claimed by November 24th, no exceptions. I also wanted to mention that I am not liable for any of the prizes getting to you. If you have any issues with prizes not arriving or anything, feel free to send me an email, and I will do my best to forward you to the appropriate contact person that was responsible for your prizes. I wanted to say a massive thank you to all the sponsors who sponsored this, companies as well as video makers. There were over 80 prizes donated by video makers, and that is absolutely amazing generosity. So not only are we going to have well over 100 winners today, we are also going to have everyone being a winner that has watched at least one video because you've gained so much inspiration, I'm sure, along the hop. I haven't even gotten through all the hop yet, and the videos are just fantastic, and I'm super proud of everyone that participated. So a big thank you to everyone that participated in this event. Here's a reminder of all the companies that helped sponsor this event, including mega sponsor Catherine Pooler, who donated over 100 ink pads and lots of time chatting back and forth with me. So thank you so much. Now, let's get started. Don't forget you can pause your screen on each one of the winner graphics if you need a little bit more time to read. So let's get going.